This project was designed by Bruce Preston, an experienced civil designer working on behalf of the Whangarei District Council in New Zealand. The shared path for pedestrians and cyclists stretched 8.7 kilometres from the city centre through to the suburbs and runs past 8 schools, sports facilities and residential areas. The objective of the project was to connect multiple public areas and facilities, as well as to provide safe and sustainable transportation for the public. The visuals were created using BricsCAD's direct link with Twinmotion. The general design of the project was completed using BricsCAD Pro and Civil Site Design. The core principles included keeping the path to between 3 and 8 degrees gradients, following existing rail tracks, and maintaining the path width at between 3.5 to 4 metres wide. Project designs can be output using the Sheet Set Manager within BricsCAD, giving contractors detailed documents. This project also included the repurposing of a 50-metre-long rail bridge, initially built in the early 1900s and removed in 2015. The bridge was modelled in BricsCAD and virtually put together with the deck ahead of construction on site.